no more ace to play. The winner takes it all, the loser stands small beside the victory. That's a destiny. I was in your arms, thinking I belong there. I figured it made sense, building me a fence, building me a home, thinking I'd be strong there, but I was a fool, playing by the rules. The gods made no dice, their minds as cold as ice, and someone laid on here loses someone dear. The winner takes it all, the loser had to fall. It's simple and it's plain. Why should I complain? Tell me, Dash and kiss like I used to kiss. Does you feel the same? She calls your name somewhere deep inside. Yeah, you must know I missed you, but what can I say? Rules must be obeyed. The judges held the signs, the likes of me applied. Spectators of the show, always there you know. The game is on again, a lover or a friend, a big thing or a small, the winner takes it all. I don't want to stop if it makes you feel sad, and I understand. You come to shake my hand. I apologize, sorry my friend, if it makes you feel bad. Seeing me so tense, no